Are you a fan of bubblegum? Do you love the satisfying chew and burst of flavor? Well, have you ever wondered how this beloved treat is made? Today, we're going to take you on a journey behind the scenes and show you how bubblegum is made. From the key ingredients to the mixing and kneading process, we'll cover every step of the way. You might be surprised to learn that bubblegum has a rich history that spans over a century. So, get ready to learn something new and gain a newfound appreciation for this sweet treat. Whether you're a bubblegum enthusiast or just curious about the manufacturing process, this video is for you. So sit back, relax, and let's explore how it's made. Bubblegum. Let's start with the basics, the ingredients. Bubblegum is made up of 4 main components: gum base, sugar, corn syrup, and flavorings. The gum base is the foundation of bubblegum. It is made up of various synthetic or natural materials, such as rubber, wax, and resins. These materials are mixed together to form a malleable, elastic substance that can hold flavorings and sweeteners. Next up is sugar. Bubblegum wouldn't be the same without its signature sweetness. The amount of sugar added can vary, but it usually makes up around 40% of the total weight of the gum. Corn syrup is also a crucial component in bubblegum production. It is used as a binding agent to help hold the gum base and sugar together. Corn syrup also gives the gum its texture and helps prevent it from becoming too sticky. Finally, we have flavorings. Bubblegum comes in a variety of flavors, such as strawberry, grape, and watermelon. These flavors are added to the gum base and sugar mixture during the manufacturing process. The flavorings used can be either natural or artificial, and are carefully chosen to give the gum its distinct taste. Now that we've covered the basics of the ingredients, let's take a closer look at how they all come together to create the final product. Once the ingredients have been assembled, it's time to start mixing and kneading. This is where the real magic happens. The gum base is first softened and melted down in a large mixing tank. Then, the sugar and corn syrup are added to the mixture. The ingredients are heated and mixed together until they form a sticky, uniform mass. After the mixing process, the gum is moved to a kneading machine where it is stretched and pulled until it becomes a smooth, pliable dough. This process can take anywhere from 20 minutes to several hours, depending on the desired texture of the gum. The kneading process is crucial in ensuring that the gum is the right consistency for chewing. Too little kneading can result in a hard, brittle gum, while too much kneading can result in a soft, sticky gum that won't hold its shape. To make sure the gum is just right, it's tested by hand. Gum makers will take a small sample and test its texture, elasticity, and flavor. Once they are satisfied with the results, it's time to move on to the next step. Now that the gum is the perfect texture, it's time to add the flavors and colors. Adding flavor and color is where the real fun begins. The gum base is now moved to a separate machine where the flavorings and colors are added. Flavorings can be natural or artificial and come in liquid or powder form. The chosen flavors are carefully mixed with the gum base until they are evenly distributed. Color is added in the form of food-grade dyes. These dyes are carefully measured and added to the gum base to give it the desired hue. Bright, vibrant colors are often used in bubblegum to make it more appealing to consumers. Once the flavors and colors have been added, the gum is sent through a series of rolling machines. These machines flatten the gum into thin sheets that are then cut into small pieces. The size and shape of the gum pieces can vary depending on the brand and type of gum being produced. Some gums are formed into small balls, while others are cut into sticks or flat strips. Now that the gum has been shaped and cut, it's time to wrap it up and get it ready for sale. After the flavorings and colors have been added, the gum is rolled out into thin sheets and then cut into the desired shape. This process is done using a variety of specialized equipment, such as stamping machines, rollers, and cutting machines. The sheets of gum are first fed through a stamping machine, which imprints the desired design onto the gum. This could be a brand logo or a pattern that is unique to a particular product. Next, the gum is rolled out into thin strips using a series of rollers. These rollers can be adjusted to achieve the desired thickness and shape of the gum. Finally, the gum is cut into individual pieces using a cutting machine. This machine can cut the gum into various shapes and sizes depending on the product being produced. Once the gum has been shaped and cut, it's time to wrap it up and get it ready for sale. The gum is typically wrapped in wax paper or foil to keep it fresh and protect it from moisture. And that's it. From the mixing and kneading process to the shaping and cutting, we've shown you how bubblegum is made from start to finish. Now it's time to enjoy the fruits of our labor and savor the sweet, satisfying taste of bubblegum. Wrapping and packaging are crucial steps in the bubblegum manufacturing process. These steps not only protect the gum from damage, but also help to maintain its flavor and freshness. In this section, we'll take a closer look at the wrapping and packaging process involved in making bubblegum. Firstly, the individual pieces of gum are wrapped in wax paper or foil to prevent them from sticking together and to protect them from moisture. The wrapping process is usually automated, with machines capable of wrapping thousands of pieces of gum per hour. The machines are carefully calibrated to ensure that the gum is wrapped tightly and evenly, with the right amount of paper or foil for each piece. Once the gum has been wrapped, it's time to package it for sale. Gum can be packaged in a variety of ways, including blister packs, jars, and bags. Blister packs are a popular choice for single pieces of gum, while jars and bags are more commonly used for larger quantities. The packaging is designed to be eye-catching and appealing to consumers, with bright colors and bold graphics. Bubblegum packaging can also feature fun designs and characters, making it popular with children. Many companies also offer bubblegum in collectible tins, with designs ranging from classic to modern and everything in between. Before the gum is shipped out for sale, it goes through a final quality control check. This ensures that the gum is of the highest quality and meets all safety and regulatory standards. Quality control checks may include inspecting the packaging for any defects or errors, testing the gum for consistency and flavor, and checking the expiration date to ensure that it is within the acceptable range. In addition to ensuring that the gum is of the highest quality, manufacturers also take steps to reduce waste and minimize their environmental impact. Many companies use recycled materials for their packaging and strive to reduce the amount of packaging used without compromising the safety or quality of the product. In conclusion, wrapping and packaging are essential steps in the bubblegum manufacturing process. These steps not only protect the gum, but also help to maintain its flavor and freshness. From the automated wrapping machines to the eye-catching packaging designs, every detail is carefully considered to ensure that consumers receive the best possible product. And with a commitment to quality and sustainability, the bubblegum industry continues to innovate and evolve. So now you know the ins and outs of how bubblegum is made. We hope you found it as fascinating as we did. From the careful selection of ingredients to the meticulous mixing and kneading, the addition of flavors and colors, and the final shaping, cutting, wrapping, and packaging, every step of the process is important in creating the perfect piece of gum. It's easy to take for granted the effort and expertise that goes into producing bubblegum, but next time you're enjoying a piece, take a moment to appreciate the intricate process that brought it to your taste buds. Bubblegum has been a popular treat for generations, and its appeal shows no sign of waning. With new flavors and innovations constantly being developed, there's always something new and exciting to try. But behind every piece of bubblegum is a team of dedicated professionals working hard to bring you the best possible product. From food scientists and chemists to production workers and quality control experts, making bubblegum is a team effort that requires skill, knowledge, and attention to detail. So the next time you unwrap a piece of bubblegum, take a moment to appreciate all the hard work that went into making it. And remember, it's not just a treat, it's a testament to human ingenuity and the wonders of modern technology.